Hi guys, Ava and I are back. Yep, she is helping me. This soap, it's my Hathor recipe, and it is scented. And I know this sounds really strange, but it is Peach Mango Salsa. It is so good. I know, just hearing the Peach Mango Salsa part just doesn't sound good, but it smells fantastic. But Ava is dying to use the stick blender, so I'm going to let her use the stick blender.
When we pour the white in.
Right, because the yogurt, I freeze my yogurt in ice cubes, and the ice cubes are not broken up yet. So I'm going to let Ava stick blend just the oils, and then I'm going to add the lye water, and then we'll go over the colors, okay?
Yay!
All right.
You can see the colors in the background.
Yeah. Okay, here, let's move this. Let's move this. They're not going to be able to see this, but go ahead.
I need to put the
And be careful because of the flash, okay? Okay. Are we what?
Making swirls.
Yes, this is going to be another drop swirl, just like we did before. And if I have to, I'll bring the camera closer so the mold is closer to you, okay? I know you're so excited. This is the first time you've ever been able to pour. Yes, and you'll be able to. Are you going to use a skewer this time on the top? Well, this has a specific top, so Mimi's going to have to show you how the top goes, okay? All right, so we are using banana boat yellow, lily pad green, turquoise, and orange, and the base is going to be white.
Yeah, no one cares about white.
No one cares about white? Why do you say that?
Because it's not a good color. I don't like
It's not a good color?
I don't like color white.
Well, guess what? The base is white.
Wow.
Well, you've seen it upstairs.
What?
The Summer of 69. You've seen the soap upstairs. The base is white. And I don't do too many white-based soaps. But we are doing our summer extravaganza.
What?
Yeah, we're doing all kinds of summer soaps. Okay, so I'm going to do...
summer.
Right. I'm going to do the orange because it's in a bag. I am using... the original didn't have the Mango Tango, but I think it will go quite well.
Tango.
And again, this is a pretty potent color, so you don't need much. Okay, so now, here's a spoon for you, my love. And we'll do...
I was going to do all 3 of them.
You are doing 3 of them. Let me see how much... Yep, put that in somewhere. Put just a little teeny bit more in there. No, not quite that much. Here, let me...
That?
There you go. Yep, put that spoon in the sink.
Oh!
Okay, so here's the lily pad green. That's probably too much. There you go. Here you go.
Scoop it and I pour.
Okay, you scoop it.
This one?
Yep.
Anyone?
Yep. Go in there, and then we'll put the turquoise in there. Okay, put it in the sink. And then one more, and then you can do the white. Okay? Okay. Put the turquoise in that back one. Yep. In that one. Okay. Sorry if we're going slow, guys.
Yeah, we'll be.
Well, because you're being my helper today. So.
And I want to walk.
All right, let me.
I'm walking Judy.
You're working, Judy?
No, walking.
Oh, you're walking, Judy? Okay,
Like this.
here. You want to pour this in here?
The whole entire thing?
Yep, the whole entire thing. You ready? There you go.
I gotta.
That's okay. I have some paper towel over here. Hold on.
Oh, it's cool. It feels like my skin.
It feels like your skin.
With blood.
You're silly. Here. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to blend all these colors lightest to darkest. And I'm going to test Ava on her lightest to darkest. I'm going to test you. You ready? Got burp our blender. Let's go. Yep, that is lily pad green. Can you put Judy on the other counter for me? Can you put Judy? Judy.
This one?
Yeah, put her on the other counter for me. Can you reach it?
This one?
Yep. Thank you, baby.
Can you see me?
I don't know if they can see you. I don't think so. Okay. So
Way weird.
We're going to stir everything and make sure everything is stirred in correctly. Because that's what we do.
I'm going to do darkest to lightest.
Okay. Well, I'm going to put the fragrance in there too. So it's all right because we're only using teeny bit, teeny bit, teeny bit, teeny bit, and then the rest of it. Ah! Doesn't it smell good? It smells so good.
It smells like when I take a shower.
It smells like when you take a shower?
My soap. But
Yeah.
it's really strawberry.
The soap you have is, which one do you have? Strawberry Fields or do you have?
Just almost strawberry.
Oh.
My, like,
Or is
hair.
it with or without you? Here, are you done mixing?
Almost.
Almost, yeah, because that's still, I can still see some of the fragrance oil.
There's an easier way, like stowing out this.
Yeah, well, you gotta go all the way to the bottom. You're not doing it all the way to the bottom. You gotta do it all the way to the bottom, baby. Like this. No, put your hand on the spatula. I want you to feel it.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta do it all the way to the bottom. And that's mixed in now. So you can do the yellow, okay? And make sure it's all the way to the bottom.
Wait, I can see a little bit of that
Yeah.
color.
Yeah, because it's the fragrance oil. And you gotta make sure it's stirred in really, really good.
I'm just like.
You're just so excited you get to pour everything, aren't you?
I'm just making circles in it.
What?
I'm just making circles in it.
You're just making circles in it?
Like
Well, you have to go on the bottom, baby.
I am.
Okay. I'm gonna have to check your work. You know that, right? Just like I check your homework.
Oh, I After this, can I do my homework?
Oh, you have homework? I didn't know you had homework.
I forgot for like a minute and then I noticed.
Oh, well, okay, yeah, absolutely. We'll do your homework after we do this. Okay, let me get my mold in here. I'm going to have to, excuse me, pardon me. I'm going to have to, okay, it doesn't have any alcohol in it. I'm going to move you guys down just a little bit.
And move this to me.
Oh, yeah, I need to move. You know what? I am going to put you guys up just a little bit because I have to move the mold closer to Ava. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'm going to put just a teeny bit of white in there. Okay, just a little bit. Okay. Now, you got to pour. Really, you got to pour. Come on. It's starting to thicken up. We got to pour.
It's like that.
Yep, come on. Yep.
Mimi's gonna help me.
Yeah, because you're not tipping it up enough. Yeah, I'm going to help you because you're not tipping it up enough. You're not holding it high enough.
That's a little high. Is this green?
This is turquoise. Okay. And then we need the green.
You do.
You want me to do these?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, because this is getting really thick, baby. See how thick it's getting?
Wait. Wait, can I like swipe out if there's too much on there? My finger.
You can do it with the orange.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously this thickens up when you let it sit too long. So this
we
is
should
gonna.
do orange and the
No,
green.
Mimi's gonna take her hanger out. I'm gonna use my hanger.
What's a hanger?
My hanger tool.
Mm.
All right, let me stir this up.
So we can put it and keep going.
Yep. Ready?
Dun, dun,
Woo!
Woo!
I got my first real 6-string at the 5 and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. Don't you remember this song?
No.
Mimi plays this song all the time.
Oh yeah.
Was the summer of '69.
Oh no.
Me and the guys from school. Don't you remember? No?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now. Oh, are you going to wipe it off? This is a hanger tool. Okay, ready?
Oh, I thought you would let me do it.
No. And I know that looks a little muddied, and it is a little muddied at the top. However, it won't stay that way.
If you let it cool down.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do something special with the top, which means I have to do it, baby. Oh, I can use this spatula for the yellow. We're gonna do something special, so Mimi's got to do this one. I will show you when we are when it's time to swirl it. What we're gonna do, okay?
Oh, I just put that finger back.
You just what? Oh yeah, we're gonna need that.
Never mind. I was upset when I didn't.
You were what?
Upset.
Why were you upset? Why were you upset, baby? There's no reason to be upset. No reason at all. I'm just going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to let you do it. That's all. Is that why you were upset? You thought I was going to do it instead of you? No, I'm going to let you do it. I promise. And guess what? Stuff doesn't have to be perfect. Life isn't perfect, is it? No, it is not. Ava went to the zoo this week with her dad as a chaperone. Did he embarrass you?
Kind of.
Kind of. Yeah, they're also going to do, because I'm an epileptic, they're going to do the walk for epilepsy here pretty soon too at the Detroit Zoo.
We did that Saturday.
Oh, is that what you did on Saturday? That was the walk for epilepsy?
No, that was for my dad's work.
Oh, that was for your dad's work? Okay. But your mom told me that you guys are going to do the walk for epilepsy too.
Oh, for her work?
Because Mimi has seizures, You know that.
Yeah,
that's what makes my photography light so annoying.
That's why I was with my grandma that time.
Yeah. Well, your grandma has MS. That's different than epilepsy.
No,
but it's still not a good thing to have, for sure.
I did in my mobile dentist.
I'm not sure we are going to have enough orange. We're going to have to spread this orange down.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
It's all right. We'll get it. We're almost there.
You should have poured a little. You maybe poured a little.
A little bit too much inside. Is that what you're saying?
I meant a little.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bang this. Okay?
And then I can do it?
And then I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. Okay?
Sorry, guys.
That was loud. Well, I'm going to cut that out. That was loud, wasn't it? Woo. Let's get it all off the top. All right. Now, this is what we're going to do. I want you to watch. And I'm going to do a few passes, and then I'm going to let you do it. So we're going to go like this, and this, and this, and this, and this.
Oh, it's like whipped cream when you're going side to side.
Yes. So, start here. Don't put it in too far. Like right there. Okay, go ahead. Perfect. Look at you.
Now your turn.
What?
I'm going to take turns.
Oh, you want to take turns?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did some, you do some.
Okay.
That's helping. Now
Okay. Yep. Now you do the rest. Very good. Very good. Be careful and not go too deep. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, baby. Nothing is ever perfect.
Not even.
I think it's going to be beautiful irregardless. Did you get a lot of soap on there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so see how this has got a hole in it? See that hole?
Poke.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bang it and get rid of that hole. There we go.
Are you going to cut this part off too?
What part?
When you just banged it.
Oh no, I'm gonna wait till Friday and we'll put this. I'll put it in the freezer, like we said. You gotta alcohol it. And then we'll cut it together on Friday. Not so close, baby. You can't do it so close. There you go. Alcohol, really good, really good. There you go. Because this fragrance does heat up, and sometimes, okay, that's good. And sometimes it will crack. I don't insulate my soaps like ever. I never have. I never will. So if it cracks, it cracks, and I use my end pieces to try to help to fix it, and that's just all I can do. So I'll see you guys, or we will see you guys in 18 to 24 hours. Bye bye.
That is Friday.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Yeah, it's Friday. Your favorite soap?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta take the
Potato.
yeah, my potato peeler.
I put them in the water.
Yeah, you can put them in the water. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we're back to cut Summer of '69. Because we got our first real 6-string, Ava.
Yeah.
We got it at the 5 and dime.
5 and 9.
She knows this song, too. Oh, Ava, I think this one is going to be beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey. Enough of the annoying opera voice, please. We don't want everybody to run away screaming, do we?
No.
No. Oh my goodness, Ava. Look at what a great job you did. Look how beautiful
Can I
that
hold
is.
it and smell it?
Yes, you can hold it and smell it. This is many days later.
And the scent we put in there.
This is the Peach Mango Salsa.
Yeah, but
Doesn't it smell fantastic?
if you leave it in the freezer, it smells something different.
Oh, when it was still frozen, it smelled different?
Yeah. Look how it...
Well, it's not frozen now. Oh, wait, look at this piece. Look at this. Looks like a flower right there, right?
Yes.
It does. You did a fantastic job, my love.
I tried my best.
You did. You did a great job. And you didn't spill soap everywhere. And you know what that means, right? Do you know what that means? That means that we can do All I Need Is Love or All Together Now from Yellow Submarine. We'll find a fragrance, and we will
see you next week.
Well, no, not next week, but you and I will plan it out. You'll be able to tell me how you want the soap done and what colors and all that kind of stuff, just like Kiki did for Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds, and the way Z-Man is going to do for Hey Bulldog.
Hey Bulldog.
Yeah, I've been talking about that for about 6 months, but he's always on his Switch.
Hey Bulldog.
So he doesn't want to make soap. He wants to play on his Switch. So, but
wait, Mimi, are these gummy bears?
yeah, those are gummy bears. Mimi made gummy bears. I had to make with a little help from my friends.
And I could see puppy ones.
Yep, that's for Who Let the Dogs Out.
Whoa.
That's an upcoming summer soap, you guys. The Who Let the Dogs Out.
I know you can hear me.
Yeah, they can hear you.
No, I'm singing a song.
Oh, what are you singing? How many pieces do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Wow, this is going to be... I must have cut one of those. Really?
You just...
Hey, no! That's my stomach, honey. My stomach is still growling. Jeez. All right. Well, thanks, guys, for sticking with me. And actually, I'm probably going to give that to you, too, because that's not quite an inch. So, after it cures. So, thanks for sticking with us, as always. And I will see you guys next week.
Yay!
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.